Question number 6. An Astrologer Day is a comedy, tragedy, novel, short story. Answer is option number D, short story. The astrologer was punctual in sleeping, closing his shop, eating, opening his shop. The answer is opening his shop. The word obscure means light, bright, difficult to understand, very easy. The answer is difficult to understand. The astrologer had a bundle of written notes on option number A, paper, papyrus, chart paper, palmyra. The answer is palmyra. The astrologer eyes sparkle with wonder, revenge, a sharp abnormal gleam, a spiritual power. The answer is a sharp abnormal gleam. The astrologer beard streamed down his chin, nose, lips, cheeks. The answer is cheeks. Option number D. Question number 12. In the text, the word whisker means beard, turban, drink, tusker. The answer is option number A, beard. The clients of the astrologer were clever, foolish, simple, greedy. The answer is option number C, simple. People were attracted to the astrologer like children to toys, bees to dahlia stalks, fish to water, police to criminals. The answer is bees to dahlia stalks. The color of the turban of the astrologer was saffron, red, blue, yellow. এই প্রশ্নটার উত্তর দেওয়া হলো না। তোমাদের কাছে উত্তরটা কী হবে সেটা আমার তরফ থেকে প্রশ্ন রইল, অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে জানিও।